Damaged HVAC fans, whether it's the blades or the motor, can significantly impact your system's performance and lead to various issues. Here's how. Impaired fan blades. Reduced airflow, bent, cracked, or missing blades won't move air as efficiently, resulting in decreased cooling or heating capacity. Uneven cooling/heating, this can lead to hot or cold spots in your home, making it uncomfortable. Increased noise, imbalanced or damaged blades can create loud rattling or vibration noises. Potential damage to other components. In severe cases, broken blades can detach and damage other parts of the system. Motor issues. Fan not spinning at all. This can completely stop your system from functioning, leaving you without heating or cooling. Slow fan speed. Similar to damaged blades, this leads to reduced airflow and diminished performance. Overheating. A faulty motor can overheat, potentially causing electrical damage or even a fire. Increased energy consumption. A struggling motor draws more power to maintain operation, leading to higher electricity bills. Signs of a damaged fan. Unusual noises coming from the unit. Decreased airflow from vents. Uneven temperatures throughout your home. System not cooling or heating effectively. Higher energy bills. What to do? If you suspect a damaged fan, it's crucial to shut down your system and call a qualified HVAC technician. They can diagnose the problem, assess the damage, and recommend appropriate repairs or replacements. Trying to fix it yourself can be dangerous and further damage your system. Prevention tips. Schedule regular maintenance for your HVAC system to identify and address potential issues early on. Keep the area around your outdoor unit clear of debris that could get sucked in and damage the fan. Have the fan motor lubricated according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Consider installing protective covers for the outdoor unit during off-seasons. By being proactive in addressing fan issues promptly, you can ensure optimal performance, extend the lifespan of your HVAC system, and avoid costly repairs down the line. Check description for much more.